So babies, welcome to another day. I'm going to combine Vlogmas day 21 up until Christmas. I will see, maybe 21 I will post it separately because it is hygiene shopping, but we will see. We are going to do my nails. This is what we're working with at the moment. We're going to do my nails. We're going to look cute. We're going to look very, very cute. These are the nails. I love them so much. Woo! Are you ready? These are the nails. Ah! Homoy. Hopila. They are press-ons, but I'm going to use what's my other name? I'm not going to use glue because I feel like with glue they don't last that long. They really don't last that long. So we are going to use acrylic to stick them on, and they're gonna be here. They're gonna be on my fingers for a very long time, hopefully. It's Tuesday. Why do I feel like it's Wednesday? I don't know. But it's Christmas Eve. Merry Christmas Eve, babies. Merry Christmas Eve. I hope you enjoy and you're safe. Okay, so yeah, let me look for my nail. I'll come back now. Okay, we found the nail. So I'm very happy. They are beautiful. So that is that. I hope you enjoy. You did not forget to like, subscribe, and turn on post notifications to know when I post. And please comment how was your day, what did you do? Comment, babies, comment. And yeah, let's support each other. Comment down below. Comment. So babies, these are the nails. If you want to see the whole application process, just go to Vlogmas day 21. They're so beautiful. They're so nice and beautiful. They don't want to, this camera does not want to focus or watch. So they are beautiful. So babies, we just finished doing the dishes. Babies, we are going to use the green tea refreshing mask. I'm so scared because I don't want to look like that guy on Nightmare on Elm Street. This is terrifying. My brother used it the first day he got it. He's still okay, but I know that our skin types are not the same. Let me put this on my skin. See. and I have to set the timer for 15 to 20 minutes. We're gonna do 15. I've been wanting a mask like this for a very long time. So let's do this. I'm so scared.
Bruh.
So hello babies, welcome. Okay, wait, it's not welcome back. I'm tired, like I'm so tired. I want to sleep. I have to sleep, but I have to edit and I have to record. So yeah, this is the end of Vlogmas 2024. We are done with that, and these are the nails. I don't know if I showed them to you, but these are the nails. I went live yesterday when my mom was applying them, so yeah, I hope you enjoyed Vlogmas 2024. I was learning my first time. This is my first time doing Vlogmas and my first time being consistent for 25 days straight. Oh well, not straight because there were a lot of things happening behind the scenes, but yeah, this is the first time where I was consistent. The first time when I was so consistent. I'm low-key used to it. Low-key. I'm saying low-key because I'm tired. This is tired. Thinking of video ideas, how to edit a video, music, text, all those things. My brain is fried. My brain is fried. So I hope you enjoyed. That is that for today. Have a blessed, beautiful, merry Christmas. I hope you enjoy it. Whether you are with your friends, your family, yourself, just enjoy your Christmas. Say thank you. I am experiencing this Christmas and this beautiful weather. It is so nice. It is not hot. It is not cold. It is just perfect. It is raining just a little drizzle. So I hope you enjoy and watch out for 2 videos that will be coming. The first one is we are gonna do a vision board for 2025, and then the second one is self-care resetting for 2025. I hope you are ready. I hope you are ready. So yeah, that is that. I'm so excited for those videos, and I'm just ready to just relax. I'm ready to relax because posting every day is so tiring. It's tiring, loves. It's so tiring. So yeah, I hope you enjoyed. I'm giving you all usual hugs. Have a blessed last Christmas, and I'll see you loves on another one. Bye.